cooking the turkey, they say, is actually pretty easy, but you risk the meat being dry and dull. If you care about a really savory bird without dry meat, you'll actually need to start the day before. Today on our Thanksgiving menu, we are going after it, the best tasting turkey with one tested method. Chef Shawn Wilson is here to teach us the way, and the method is...
brining your turkey, of course.
You gotta brine the bird. And it's funny, this started to bubble up, I think, in more, common popularity about 5 or 6 years ago, but you say it's the way.
It is the way, not only for turkey, but you can do it with chicken and pork as well. What the brine is gonna do is it's gonna give you the most flavor all throughout the turkey. So it's gonna soak in here. It's also going to tenderize because of all the salt in the brine. So you're going to have a flavorful, moist turkey, and your family is going to love it.
And they better love me if I'm giving them
right,
that, right?
If we're going through this effort, right?
Well, we're not brining every day, so it's a good brush up, even if it's something you've done in the past. Tell us how to do it. Give us the marching orders.
Sure, here we go. So you want to have a pot big enough to hold your turkey. It needs to be fully submerged.
Okay.
And it needs to be submerged 16 to 24 hours.
So you see some people do it in the gallon buckets, right?
Yep. Yeah, you could do it in an insulated bucket. Just make sure you have room in your fridge for that, okay? Because it's got to sit overnight.
Okay.
So in here, I have 1.5 gallons of cold water.
Okay.
To that, I'm going to add another 1/2 gallon of apple cider.
Apple cider.
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry if...
That's okay. A happy kitchen is a messy kitchen. We're here for it. It's the time of year.
All that goodness in there. And then we're gonna go with 1.5 cups of our Redmond real salt. I have the kosher in here. And that's gonna be the base of our brine. We have sugar from the cider and saltiness from the salt, of course.
Okay.
A lot of recipes will call for sugar at this point, but we're gonna forego that because the cider is going to be our sweetness, and there is a little bit of subtle sweetness in the real salt as well.
Oh, nice.
Because of the 60+ trace minerals that we don't remove from the salt.
Okay, good.
So now let's pump this up a little more. We're going to go with 3 tablespoons of black peppercorns.
I'm glad you moved on. I was about to sing pump it up, but I won't. I won't because we're professionals. Okay, go ahead.
We are, but that's considered professional too. Okay, I've got some 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. If you're into garlic, go ahead and put some more in.
Yeah.
I love garlic, so I would add some more.
Yes.
We have 5 bay leaves.
Okay.
I have like a medium yellow onion chopped up, just rough chop.
This is all just to flavor the water that soaks in the turkey.
Yes, exactly, yep. And there's many variations on this too, but this is just kind of a good, well-rounded one.
I can smell it.
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
Wait till we get this in here.
Here
so this is some fresh sage, and then fresh rosemary, about 4 to 5 sprigs of each, rosemary and sage. And then I've got 3 oranges cut up, and we're gonna squeeze those in and just put them in
People are going
like
to start asking what time is Thanksgiving dinner the day before Thanksgiving dinner, once they smell all of this.
Yep. That's why you gotta do this in secret.
And you do wanna do it 24 hours in advance, we've been saying.
Yes. Okay, so we've got our oranges in there. So we've got sweet, salty, and acid from the oranges. So that's gonna be a very well-rounded flavor.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna bring this to a boil.
Okay.
That's gonna pull out all the great flavors from the fresh ingredients that we just used. But when you're ready to brine, make sure you cool it.
Okay.
Because you don't want to put the boiling brine on your raw turkey.
Don't start cooking the turkey.
You're going to have a boiled turkey, and Grandma is not going to like that, right?
She will be mad.
She likes the crispy skin and the tender meat.
Yes.
If you boil Grandma's turkey, she's going to go to the neighbor's house next year, right?
She's checking out. All right, so bring it to a boil, cool it completely down.
Yep.
Put the turkey in.
We're going to put the turkey in.
Oh, we're doing it.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Here comes the bird. Okay.
Make sure it's fully submerged, right?
Okay, yep.
Okay, and then we're just gonna cover that and refrigerate it, like I said, 16 to 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
About a minute left from there. How do we bake her up?
Okay, we're gonna pull it out and rinse it off and then pat it dry. And then you're just gonna bake it or roast it or smoke it, whatever you usually do. I like to add a little bit of our lemon pepper and butter on top, just smear it all over.
Yum.
And then throw it in the oven and you're good to go.
We better be good to go, and my bird better look like that. And thanks to Chef Shawn, it will. We appreciate the tutorial, the steps, reminding us how to do it. as cooks say, the best way, right? The brine.
That's right.
Where can we get more recipe or cooking instructions from you?
So I have an Instagram, it's Real Salt Chef, or our website is redmond.life. You can find all our great products there. Lots of cooking tips and recipes on our blog as well.
Nice, Chef Shawn. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It smells so good in here. Have I said that?